Hi guys. This is LN the Trader speaking. The one and only LN the Trader, guys. So guys, right now on this video, I don't want to take a lot of time. I want to show you how to analyze the market. Let's stop with the talking. Let's just get straight to it. Good. What do you do first? How do you analyze the market? What time frame can you use? Number one, you can use 50 minutes time frame. You can use 30 minutes time frame. You can use a 1 hour time frame. You can use 4 hour time frame. You can use daily, 1 week, 1 month. You can also use 5 minutes time frame depending on what kind of a trader you are. Are you a scalper? Are you a long trade? Are you a swing trade? How long do you hold the market? So right now, let me show you the simplest basics for price action. Let's start. Good. Number one, fully out zoom your graph. Check the highest point and the lowest point in your graph. That's what you do first. So we can choose to, let's just analyze this whole entire graph, right? But we're gonna have a little bit of a problem if we take the whole graph, because we're having day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7, day 8, day 9. Today is day 10. So we have 10 days in the graph. Let's not go for 10 days. Let's go for shorter days, guys. Let's start from this day. Day 1, day 2, day 3, and day 4. Good. So what the first thing that you need to do first, you come with this one, trend line. Good. This one is for day 1. You put it like this so that should the graph go all the way up and touch any point in this line, you sell. Once you have a confirmation for sell. Point number 2, we are going to take the lowest of the graph. That was the highest on that day, and then we're going to take the lowest again for that day. Good. Which is this one. This is the lowest for that day. So we focus on the lowest and the highest for that day. Remember, analysis starts from the previous day. Ne? It starts from the previous day, not the exact same day, right? Okay, good. So now, what do we do? Good. We take the same trend line. We go to the very same high point. We draw it like this. Nice. And then how do I draw it like this? Why do I draw the line like this? Number one, keep in mind, the reason why I draw it like this, I take the highest point and the second highest point. These 2 points, they are my confirmation. The third point, it's my entry point, which was going to be what here? Let's look. Touch, first touch, second touch. This one didn't touch. So this one touched. This was going to be my sell. I was going to sell exactly here. You see? I was going to sell here. This was going to be a nice ride all the way down. So let me show you another one. Second highest is this one. Good for that day. And then we go. Remember, the top line represents a sell. The bottom line represents a buy. So these are our first touch, our second touch, our third touch with a buy here. So we're going to milk the market in 2 directions, guys. Let me show you something. Here we're going to buy. And then it touches here. We exit. We go down. And then we eat. You understand? We eat. This is how you analyze the market, guys. So let me just also show you some of the things. Another thing, another possible entry that we have from here. Anytime it touches this line, we're selling. It's a possible entry. And then another possible entry, it's exactly where? Exactly here. Yes, here. At this line. Exactly here. But this is for scalping. Let me just zoom in so you can see what I'm talking about. Let me actually change the time frame to 5 minutes time frame so you can actually see what I'm talking about. I want to talk about scalping right now. For those who scalp, let me just remove this chart because there are a lot. They're going to confuse you. Okay, I'm going to remove them, but I don't have to take them all. Let me just give you an example about this one here. Where do we go? This one. From this point all the way to this point, right? All the way to this point. I'm going to put my lines. I'm not going to talk much, and then I'm going to explain after. Okay, we'll also have this point. Okay, what is it that you do? You just put your lines everywhere, no matter how much you want to put them. It doesn't matter. You can just put them. It doesn't matter. What you do, you are looking for a touch on that line. You are looking for a touch on that line. That's what you're actually looking for, a touch. You're actually looking for, oh, this is an extension. Let me take it out and use the original. You're actually looking for a touch at a particular line. Our touch on this one is going to be all the way to here. This is our touch. For example, this is our first touch. This is our second touch. Here you say, you eat. This is our first touch. This is our second touch. Here is a third touch. You said you eat. Another touch. You said you eat. Another touch here. It break through. You wouldn't have eaten. Remember, you have a stop loss, right? So it break out. You wouldn't have eaten here, but you would have eaten 1 and 2. So now we have another touch here. Let me just put a line. We're going to have a lot of lines, guys. We're going to have a lot of lines, so it's going to confuse you a little bit. This one. I'm not going to change colors because I don't want this video to be long. It's going to take time. Let me just explain. We have a first touch here. We have a second touch here. This is a third touch here on this point. So you eat. You see? You eat. Until what? Until it touches something. What did it touch? It touched this one. You exit. You get it? It touched this one at the top. You exit. My laptop is battery low. My MacBook is battery low, guys. So it's fine. But let's talk. It's 5% a MacBook. It can last long. I can even last for years with this 5% battery. Let me just cancel this. Good. So yes, that's what we do, guys. So you always put lines everywhere. There's a line for entry. There's a line for exit. There's a line for entry. There's a line for exit. This is Ellen the Trader speaking, guys. This was the shortest clip I wanted to show you guys. I'm gonna keep on posting more clips so you guys can understand how this thing works. But I don't normally use this anymore myself because I'm having a trading robot which is available for everyone. LTT Sniper Forex trading robot. I'm sure you guys know about it. Nobody doesn't know about this robot. This is the robot that can do these things for you while you are watching, and then